Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Swift Transport. Swift Transportation is one of the biggest trucking companies in the US, known for offering solid training programs, especially for new drivers. Many people start their trucking careers here because Swift helps them get their commercial license and gives them a chance to gain experience. The trucks are fairly new, and they have many terminals across the country, often with good facilities like showers and lounges. Drivers say the pay starts low, around 44 cents per mile, but can increase with the time and experience. Some find the pay fair for beginners, while others feel it doesn't match the long hours and time away from home. Communication with dispatchers can sometimes be slow, especially on weekends, and a few drivers mention that support varies depending on who you're working with. Safety and training experience also differ. Some mentors are helpful, others are rushed. Despite the ups and downs, many drivers agree that Swift is a decent company to start with. It's not perfect, but it's gives a solid foundation. If you're new to trucking and willing to learn on the road, Swift can be a good first step in the industry. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.